In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extend the length of a video using Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation or a social media video, getting the timing just right is crucial for impact and engagement. So let's dive in. First, head over to Canva's website at canva.com. For those not familiar, Canva is a powerful, user-friendly designing tool that allows you to create a wide variety of visual content, from graphics to videos. Begin by signing in with your credentials. You'll find the login button conveniently located at the upper right corner of the page. If you already have an account, use your usual method to log in, which could be through Google, Facebook, or directly with your email. If you don't have an account, registration is quick and easy, providing access to a versatile toolset that will aid in your creative projects. Once you're signed in, it's time to select the project you want to work with. Your dashboard will present you with various options of past designs, or you can start something new. For this tutorial, assuming you have an existing video project, click to open it. Next, you'll need to select the specific page or scene within your project that you want to edit. In Canva, each scene or segment of your video is typically managed as a separate page, which can be very helpful as you fine-tune different parts of your content. Once you've identified the particular page or scene you want to adjust, focus on the toolbar located just below the editor. Here you'll find the duration button. This is where the magic happens when you're looking to modify the timing of your video. After clicking on the duration button, you have the option to either use a slider or enter a specific time in a text box to set the exact duration you're aiming for. This function allows you to expand or shorten the time each element remains on the screen, granting you full control over how long your content will be visible. Adjusting the duration of a video segment may seem subtle, but it can dramatically alter the pacing and feel, ensuring your message is effectively conveyed to viewers. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you can customize your video's length in Canva, optimizing it for your audience's engagement. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with different durations to see what works best for your content. Feel free to revisit and tweak your project until you're fully satisfied with the outcome. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.